welcome to my channel. I am Comfort. In today's video I'll be sharing with you an update on internet connection, guys. There's so many of us, a lot of us have been wasting money on and internet. We have been wasting money on data. Okay, as the technology is going on now, you need data to browse. In fact, you need data in every area of our life. We need data. Okay, so I'm going to show you now that I'm going to tell you that in fact, I have an exciting news for you guys. And this news is for Nigerian base. Okay, this is for Nigerian base. That's why you need to share this video. Let it go viral. Okay, let this video go viral because so many people have been wasting money on airtime. You can decide to use this. You can use this app to start a business. You can start a data selling business and make money online with BRANDOKONECT. Okay, at the end of the video I'll be dropping the link on the description box. You just need to click that description box. You will see the link. Once you click on that link, it will redirect you here, the page where you can, as you can see on my screen here. All you got to do is to click on sign up. You have to sign up and register for this beautiful platform, guys. This is unlimited data. What I mean by unlimited data, if you are subscribing for 1 GB for 1 month, and that is going to be for 1 month. If you're subscribing for 2 months, if you're subscribing for 3 days, it's going to be 3 days. There's nothing like after browsing your data got exhausted. No, it will read. If it's for 1 day, you must you must exhaust the 1 day. If it's for 1 month, you must exhaust the 1 month. This is unlimited data, so that you can start making money using BRANDOKONECT. You can start a data selling business. You can sell airtime. You can sell scratch cards. You can sell so many things on this platform. Do you know, guys, that this is about to launch? This network is about to launch because we have a countdown now. So I'm just trying to tell you to hold your position. Just jump in and grab your position now before the launch of this app, and share this video. Share your referral link with your friend, because anybody that you invite to this app, this is a business app. This will fetch you money. Anybody that you invite to this app, you'll be giving 5% of the subscription of anything that the person did on this app. The person purchased an airtime, you'll be giving 5%. So, guys, that is why you need to share it. You even get up 5%, your fifth level of your referral. So this is a very lucrative business, okay, that you can start making money with BRANDOKONECT. Okay, and even if you don't want to make money with it, you don't want to sell a time, but it can save your cost. It can cut down some expenses, because if you want to calculate how much you spend on monthly on data, guys, it's going to be, in fact, you'll be surprised, because now this one is unlimited. Once you subscribe 1 gig for 1 month, it's going to carry you for a whole 1 month. You have to exhaust the 1 month. Maybe you want to buy, maybe you bought 1 GB and then you are using it to download movies. Let's just say those limited data, you're using it to download movies or watch online movie courses like that. Before you know it, the data will be exhausted, and that is it. But this one, once you subscribe 1 gig and they get 1 gig for 30 days, you're going to exhaust it in that 30 days, and you can browse whatever you like. Is that not wonderful, guys? You can browse whatsoever you like without your data will still be there. Even when there is no network, guys, you can browse with it. Okay, so I'm not gonna, without wasting much time, I'll be showing you all the full process on how to get registered on this app. And this is a website. You can go to Play Store and download it, and I'll be dropping the link. Okay, they will ask for a referral code. Use that code to be qualified for this wonderful internet. Okay, now I'm going to give you a brief explanation about BRANDOKONECT. Okay, as we have Glo, MTN, and other networks in Nigeria, Brando Group of companies has come up with a BRANDOKONECT as one of the network in Nigeria. You don't need SIM card to make use of data. You only have to download the app from your Play Store. As you subscribe, you have to access to browse without problem of no network. When you subscribe for 1 month, it will last for 1 month, just like I said. Not as some of those data that you will buy and they say 1 month, in the next 3 days is finished. Okay, you will have access to browse anywhere without problem of no network. The best news anyone can get to know this is from you. As he or she subscribe, you will earn 5% of whatever subscription the person make. Can hear that? You will earn 5% of whatever subscription the person make. You can use it to subscribe GoTV, you can use it to subscribe DSTV, you can use it to buy scratch card, you can use it to buy airtime. So that's why I say you can make money online with this app. You can use it to start selling a data business, you can sell your card, you can sell recharge card on this app. Okay, those very wonderful apps. So guys, before the launch day, just grab your position, share it with your family, share it with your friends, invite them, because this is unlimited. If you know what people are going through on data, as I am as a YouTuber, I know how much I spend on data, but this is a very good opportunity for me. This is a very good opportunity for you. So it's for you to start up, just for you to click on the sign up button, then use the code. They will request for the code. Make sure to use that code, and then you'll be you once you just it doesn't even waste much time. You just need to sign up, fill in your details. Okay, now you can browse without SIM card. That is what they said. Browse with high speed, browse where there is no network coverage, browse with low rate or affordable rate, browse with unlimited data. Okay, BRANDOKONECT is unlimited data. Okay, you can still just carry out your own research to see what I'm actually selling is truth. You can see, carry out your own research. So guys, what are the steps for you to get registered on this? You just need to click on the sign up button. Okay, click on the sign up button. Then you just have to fill your name, your username, your email, your phone number, your password, and then confirm password, referral code, and then on all that. You will get this on Play Store. Okay, you get this on Play Store because a referral code will be requested. Put in that referral code I gave you. Just put in that referral code. Okay, now once you register, you just have to log in. So I'm gonna go ahead and log in my account. So you see it counts down to this wonderful internet network. So guys, as you can see, this is the countdown here, and we just have 12 days, 21 hours, 58 minutes for the launch of this wonderful um, app. Okay, so how to get it? Go to Play Store, and then I'll be dropping the link on the description box. It will redirect you to Play Store. Once you copy, once you download, copy this referral link, because you won't get access without using the referral link. So do well, take note to make use of the referral link. I'll be dropping it on the description box below. Okay, so once you copy it, put it there, and you are good to go. So guys, this is in fact, this network will be of help to you and I, because we know how much we spend on network monthly. I know how much I spend on network, particularly me as a YouTuber. I know how much I really spend on data. So this would be, in fact, this would be a very great opportunity for all of us. So share this video with your friends. Let this video go viral, because there's so many people who are not aware that this great app is going to be launched in the next 12 days. You can see the countdown here. You can see the countdown on your screen. See the countdown. Just take your position, and wait for the launch, and once it's launched, I'll come back again and drop another video on how to use this great platform. But until then, do well to share this with your friends, share your referral link with your family, because this is not the time to say I don't have network. You will be able to perform all your airdrops, or be able to browse as you like, and this, because this is unlimited. Okay, this is unlimited browsing. Once you subscribe, if you subscribe 1 gig, and that is 1 gig. If you like, download the whole movies in this world, your data will still be there. And until that 3 days, if you subscribe for 3 days, until you exhaust that 3 days, your data will still remain intact. So this is a very great opportunity. Okay, take note, this is for Nigeria. Okay, for Africa as a whole. This is for Nigeria, for Africa as a whole. Okay, now I think very soon it will go globally, but for now it is for Nigeria and Africa as a whole. Okay, so guys, this is a very nice and great opportunity for you and I. So do not misuse this opportunity. Just grab your position now before the launch date and share this information as much as you can. Okay, if this video was helpful to you, please do well to subscribe and support my channel and share this video with your friends. It's very necessary, like I said, to share, because so many people waste money on data, including you and I. We waste money on data on a daily basis. But if you happen to use unlimited data, you'll not be worried again. You'll be able to browse anything you want on the internet without thinking of data, on how to subscribe data and all that. So guys, this is a very great opportunity. Grab the opportunity, because I'll be dropping the link on the description box. Do all to register and then start using Brando Connect. Okay, so take your chance now and wait. After the countdown, this wonderful network will be dropped.